Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Enterprise apples. These apples are a North American apple developed in 1982 at Purdue University. They were named and then released 10 years later in 1992, so they have been around for a little while. Regarding their characteristics, Enterprise apples are a medium to large apple in size. The skin is smooth, tough, thick, and a glossy red in color with yellow and maybe a little greenish in the background. The flesh is pale yellow and it is crisp, very crisp. It's juicy and also very firm. The flavor has been compared to that of a Fuji apple, so it would have a nice sweet tart flavor. Also, Enterprise apples store exceptionally well, up to 6 months in the refrigerator. So if you like Enterprise apples, feel free to buy ahead, store them in the refrigerator, and they'll keep well for you. Regarding their best uses, Enterprise apples are very versatile. They're commonly used for candy apples, so they're popular around Halloween and about that time of year. They may be eaten fresh and cut into salads. They're exceptionally recommended as a cooking and a baking apple. You can make applesauce with Enterprise apples or bake them into pies and cakes and flavor them with cinnamon and cardamom. So these are an all-around apple that can be used in a variety of ways, and you can store them for a good while. If you haven't tried Enterprise apples, give them a whirl. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.